Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a slice of pizza while we learn Spanish. We draw the edge. Edge in Spanish is borde. This is melted cheese. Cheese in Spanish is queso. Delicious slice of pizza. Slice in Spanish is porción. This is the tomato. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say tomato in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Let's go with the brown. Burn in Spanish is said MARRÓN. We use red for tomato. Red in Spanish is rojo. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is verde. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is amarillo. Let's see if you know the answer. Tomato in Spanish is tomate. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.